Welcome to my channel. This is Technophile Faisal. In this video, we're gonna see how to build Kali Linux in the virtual environment. For that, just begin with VirtualBox downloading. I'm gonna type VirtualBox in Google, and you get here downloads. Click on it. Where the page would be looking like this. If you are a 32-bit user, you can download 5.2 version. If you are 64-bit, obviously you can go for 6 versions. If you are a Windows user, Windows host, OS X somewhat OS. With the OS, what OS you are using, you can download for it. Here Mac is not available. You wanna go for VM Fusion for Mac. Okay, I'm already downloaded, so I am going for pause. Then we're gonna download Kali Linux, right? Kali Linux, type OVA file, so you can easily download here. For you can see here www.kali.org. In this official website itself, you can download these OS. Select virtual machines. Here 64-bit VirtualBox. Click on it. Here started downloading. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'm already downloaded. Well, we can go for the installation. Here I'm having in software. VirtualBox is here. Just click VirtualBox, then go for next. Proceed for. I am already installed, so it is not showing. Okay, I'm gonna cancel it. Finish. This gonna, like this way we're gonna install VirtualBox. I'm already installed. Get installed like that. Okay, Kali Linux. I'm already imported. You wanna go for import alliance and click here. I'm having here in the folder called Kali 2020 version. Here that OO file, I said you right, download OO file. Here that file, open. Here is getting open. I'm gonna give CPU like 8 CPUs. I'm having 16. I'm gonna give some 4 GB RAM. Just clicking on import, agree. Okay, I'm speed upping the video. Okay, the new Kali Linux is installed. I'm get started to it. Okay, full screen. Okay, just click enter. Okay, the logo is getting ready. Was a nice dragon. The default password is, username and password is Kali. Okay, we got installed Kali Linux successfully. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna power off the machine. Okay.